I will teach you.
Really? You will?
Kick the stand up and make sure it doesn't fall by holding the bars. Swing your leg over the little seat to one of the pedals. Push the pedal and make sure it has momentum. After step 3, put your foot on the pedal and start pedaling and keep your balance.
Okay. Try this again.